baru gak masuk benda area-area barang benda IKEA. Ya. Nanti dah bisa rumah depan.
We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time, stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes.
Hidup TV ya.
Came to me without warning.
IKEA.
I wish I could stop time, stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while?
Mana TV kita? Pakai rumah rempuh.
Never thought too hard about it, always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only wanted a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. It's always been a puzzle, I guess. So let's break a little bread and remember what I said. Come on. In all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you
baby,
and I
ya.
would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. Never thought too hard about it, always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. I really think we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces of twinkling in somebody's sky. I really hope we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces. I only want a
Tapi
slice
saya
of
benda tu
the
yang ada benda
pie.
sawah.
I
Di
like
sawah
to think
dilarang
we're
kau
getting
masaban.
somewhere. Now let's break a little bread so that
Bilang
we
sopo
can
mayo.
say we
Bilang
gave it
jalan.
a try. I I really hope we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces of twinkling in somebody's
Here,
sky.
Hingga pas 9-nya Grab TV. Buku main letak. Salah. Kena ngarep belakang beli sikit. Enggak main masak.
Nanti baru mana lagi.
Space with a traditional look.
Naku kita lima nak berdana. Tak deh.
Itu material kayu. Tanah ada apa?
Tak senang kan?
Ada tolak.
Bagian laundry nak.
Betul nggak luar atau ya baju? Kenzo negara. Ya. Perintah ibu jelo itu. Tak area anu area kanak-kanak.
Hi everyone, this is our Indians are coming in a workshop unit now at a new low price just 79 ringgit.
Budak-budak kan penuh fantasi.
We love so fully, but I'm afraid to forget. I'll think of you when I fall asleep in my bed. You love so fully, such a spark of brilliance. Though it's hard to part ways,
So, benar area baru tu. Yang memang area sekarang. Untuk area gudang.
I can't ever let you go. Thinking of all of our time in the soft breeze. Not a lot of love can withstand what we went through. You make me dream. can't understand why the seasons all we can keep. Time to let you go. I still dream of you at night. I think of all the
Barat dari gudang.
lessons that
Untuk
I
gudang,
learned
untuk
from
warehouse.
you. On and on we see there's something we don't know. You were my first love, and I can't ever let you go. Thinking of all of our time in the soft breeze. Not a lot of love can withstand what we